To the 100th Nec meeting as scheduled for 30th June 2025. We are here to deliberate on issues affecting the party and way forward. My next assignment is to accredit all members who are here. We have our national officers 25, governors 10, state chairman 37, Senate leaders 19, House of Representatives 22, former principal officers 31, former governors 33, former NWC members who are NEC members 34, Board of Trustees 56, National Ex Officio 30, totaling 320 members accredited for this meeting. Mr. Chairman, that's why we're here.
The Chairman, BOT, the Secretary, BOT, the caucus of the National Assembly, and their members, leaders of the National Assembly and their members here present, other BOT members, members of NEC. Let me stand on the already established protocol. I want to use this opportunity to welcome you to the 100th NEC meeting. When the NOS was introducing accredited members, and he mentioned 100th NEC, I saw some people clapping. I want to use this opportunity to express to you that there was a thought before now that this meeting will be an extended caucus, and you can see various adverts flying here and there. The beauty of our party is that we have always handled our problem our own ways. So after due consultations with our leaders, the governors, leaders of other organs, we say for the synopsis, even though we've slated this NEC and we had challenges, but this is our own NEC. And this NEC is going to deliberate on only one item so that we don't run foul of the other regulators masculine of asking us to do this or that. It is in this NEC that we will discuss when to hold the second NEC going to convention in a most lawful and profound manner. We'll discuss that and we'll issue the date when we conclude this meeting. I also want to use this opportunity to remind us that as party faithful, we all have responsibility to this party. The issue at hand, which created a lot of tension and division within us, has been discussed and we have taken a position. Unfortunately, the agreement to allow the National Secretary to step in, which has been actually prompted by our meeting with the INEC, which will be discussed. Okay, I will leave that. But all the same, I've already said it. It took a painful decision. It was a painful decision. Okay. I just want to stop here because maybe when we finish our meeting, we'll brief the media appropriately. I think I will use this opportunity to welcome you again And also, I will still use the opportunity to call on party faithful to stop arbitrary the marketing of this party. I want the media to note, if you so much love this party, I think it is now time for you to devote your energy in propagating the beauty of this party and stop the marketing the party. Unless if you are one of those that have been contracted to come and destroy our party. I want to say it clearly here, enough is enough. Thank you very much.
Addressed to 100th Nec. We take voices, Reps Member Honorable Austin Wachugu, on behalf of the state.
The acting national chairman of our great party, the chairman governors forum, and our distinguished governors. As if the PDP is dead, but the board has always contended that this party will never die. No matter what our detractors feel, this party, I repeat again, will never die. I want to thank the National Working Committee of our party for coming together once again, believing that Nigerians have enormous faith and hope in PDP. So I thank you, our able acting national chairman, not minding we shall survive. We shall survive. The God of politics is in this party. If it is Allah, the Allah of politics is in this party. For anybody, any other party to succeed, we have to release our God to bless them. But our God knows that PDP is the beacon of hope for this country. What is happening here today will shock so many people. I'm sure they will start planning again to bring problems. NWC, please don't allow a crack anymore. Because once they have seen us now coming together, they say, what? What happened? Who is the native doctor? Because they don't believe in God. Who is the native doctor that made this possible? They will start doing something to destabilize us, which we will not agree. So whatever we are doing here today, we are doing because of our service to this nation, because our service to the suffering masses. That's why we have all sacrificed one thing or the other. So I thank you so much for coming. Thank Nigerians for their support, and we hope to take over power in 2027 by the special grace of God. Thank you.
Members of NEC, especially the chairman of my other constituency, the chairman of the Ministers' Forum, I must recognize you. Distinguished members of the press, distinguished ladies and gentlemen. Chairman of the former Governors' Forum, where I will soon be there. Thank you, my elder brother. I'm happy to stand after listening to the conscience of the party, the leader and chairman of the BOT. This is the miracle of the PDP, a party that has history, that has the pedigree and the human capital to deliver Nigeria. We have been engrossed in controversies and challenges not created by us, but created for us. And we have been navigating unlike the other parties. Irrespective of the manifestations and the perceptions there, we are the party to beat. The gale of leaving us, people leaving the party, are all cosmetic. They are all created to diminish us. But I must thank the leaders and all the organs of the party, especially the BOT, the caucuses of the National Assembly, and most importantly, my colleagues, and the NWC, because everything we are doing for the NWC. Today, I must tell the world that the NWC has collapsed all differences, all rankings. They met before this meeting. What you have been seeing in terms of press releases have stopped, and you will not see them again. And that is what the BOT chairman is telling you. We are all on the same page. No excuse for coalition. No excuse to form any stakeholders meeting other than that of the NWC. We are solidly behind this NWC as governors, and we will continue to work with the conscience of the party and other organs of the party to make sure we succeed to have NEC. We will brief members of our strategy and our plan. What we know is tact, planning, not arrogance. And all undertakers have been defeated. They should go and sleep. We thank members of the media too for always being with us. Please be reassured that we will not disappoint Nigerians and our team supporters. Before I sit down, I must thank our governors, and especially our state chapters, the chairmen who are the body that is giving us the confidence. There is no element of wranglings in the state chapters. And so whatever is happening has not passed that formidable level. And that is where our strength lies. We thank you, our chairman in the states, for keeping the party with or without resources and making sure that you have provided the fortress that is required to keep the party intact. Thank you very much.
Leader, Senator Comrade Abamor.
PDP want to observe that it is very, very interesting that the various contending tendencies within the party have found some harmony, and that is the reason why we are all here today. We want to say from the National Assembly, as we said earlier, that we will disappoint our doubters by working very hard to remain very strong. And it is our hope that at the end of this meeting, that the PDP will come stronger and more competitive going forward. Thank you very much for this meeting, and hopefully this is the foundation of the good things that will come the way of PDP and the way of Nigeria going forward. Thank you very much. God bless you.
36 and FCT of our country. I will stop at that. I will do the other part during the meeting proper, because it's not everything that we discuss in the public that we discuss in private. Thank you very much, and God bless.
Well, Gentlemen of the press, you can see we just concluded our 100th NEC meeting. It was what do you want?
Wait, leader.
Well, how do you?
Please, 1 minute. Are we set? Are we ready? Okay.
Well, gentlemen of the press, as you can see, we just rose from our 100th NEC meeting. This meeting was a one agenda meeting, which is to discuss the outcome of our interaction with NEC as regards the National Secretary. We've all converged in one, we were all together, and we all agree that Senator Anyao will continue to act as National Secretary, and also to bring the issue of convention, to bring it up in the next NEC, which is slated for 23rd of next month. At that time, we will be able to convene a proper NEC where myself and Senator Anyao will sign, which is to fulfill the regulatory need of INEC in convening meetings and to be. So, to our detractors who thought this meeting will be a wrong course and also maybe the end of the party, the beauty of People's Democratic Party is the only party in this country that knows the mechanism to solve its own problem, Ramco free. As you can see, all our governors have attended the meeting. All members of NWC were on the same page. You will not be seeing all these press releases and counter press releases. Thank you very much.
Trust.